If you are looking for the tool which can write captions for you, you are in right place. In this video, I will guide you step by step how to add automatic subtitles to your video in any language. Open your web browser and search Maestrasuit. You will see this website on top. Open this website. Create an account here. You can see sign up your email or you can log in using Google account. After signing up, you will get this interface on your site. You can do transcription, add subtitles and do voiceover here. Now create a new folder if you want. Click on New Subtitles. Choose your video file from here in which you want to add subtitles. I have chosen my file. It will start uploading. Wait until it uploads. As my video has been uploaded, you can select your spoken language from here. If you want to translate your subtitle in another language, turn on this switch and select your language. Now click Submit. Wait until it transcribes your video. As transcribing completes, click on the video. Here you can see automatic subtitles has been generated for your video. My video has subtitles here. You can also format the subtitles. You can change background type and color from here, change fonts from here. Let's change it a little bit. You can also set number of lines for your subtitles, edit of your choice and click apply. Now click export. You can export SRT file only if you want. I am exporting full media file with subtitles. Your file is generating. Now your file is ready for download. Here is my video. You can see I got my subtitles for video in just a few steps. That's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. That will be helpful for me. Thanks for watching.